There's something very different about painting outside. Even when I'm not creating a finished painting and I'm only making a small color study like this one I plan to do, the whole experience somehow feels more meaningful and interesting. Today I'm working in my watercolor mixing notebook, studying this little olive branch I picked here in Italy. And instead of trying to find the perfect green straight from a palette, I want to really look at it, to mix the colors myself, to compare them with the real leaves, to notice how they change in the sunlight. Because when you take the time to look closely, you begin to realize that an olive leaf isn't simply green. Some leaves are warm and yellowish, others are deep, earthy green, and when they turn towards the light, suddenly there are these beautiful silvery, grayish, bluish tones. These are the little things we often don't notice until we decide to paint them. I think this is one of the things I love most about painting. We often put so much importance on the finished artwork. Is it beautiful? Is it good enough? Did it turn out the way I imagined? But perhaps the finished painting is only a very small part of what painting gives us. Because most of the experience happens here, in the looking, in the process itself, in mixing one color and realizing what it's inside there. Adding a little blue, trying again, watching watercolor move through water, looking back at the branch and slowly beginning to see something that only a few minutes earlier we might have walked past without really noticing. Of course, I paint from photographs too. They're convenient and sometimes they're necessary because plants fade away too quickly. But whenever I have the opportunity to work from something real, I remember how much a photograph leaves out. Here I can turn the branch in my hand, look from different angles. I can see what happens when the sun passes through a leaf. I can look underneath it and discover an entirely different color. I can see which greens belong to the plant itself and which ones are created by the warm Italy sunlight around me. And perhaps most importantly, I'm not only studying the olive branch, I'm experiencing the place where it grows. Sometimes I wonder if we have it backwards. We think the reward of painting is the moment when we finally put down the brush and look at the finished piece. But I think the real reward happens long before that. It's these quiet minutes of concentration when you're completely absorbed in finding one particular green. When you forget to check the time, when you're sitting outside listening to the sounds around you, looking carefully at something nature has made, and trying in your own imperfect way to understand it. Maybe that's why painting can feel so restorative. It asks us to be somewhere completely, not yesterday, not tomorrow, just here. Looking at this leaf, mixing the color, making these brush strokes. And at the end, whether this page becomes beautiful almost doesn't matter. I'll close my notebook knowing this olive branch a little better than I did before. And perhaps I'll remember this afternoon in Italy every time I open this particular page again. For me, that is already enough reason to paint. Hope you too have experienced outdoor painting, sketching, or just exploring real nature. Thank you.